Hello everyone, and welcome to a extra short video this evening. So I just wanted to pop on, and I might be late at the party, but I wanted to discuss this. Now, I have just removed the BT Art Box nails that I've had on for about 3 weeks, that when they start to grow out, they get on my wick. And I hate having to sit and soak my hands in acetone or anything like that. I don't mind my e-file if I'm just filing off a colour and leaving the nail on, but these needed fully removing. So I got this. It's a Saviland, and it says it's especially for tip removal. It's exclusively for tip removal. And can I tell you, this was the easiest thing. It's got a really nice smell. Well, I think it has anyway. It's not an acetone smell. And you get one of these nail picker scraper things and 2 of the orange sticks, is that what they're called? And anywho, all you need to do when you've got your nail on, if you just use the stick or this, and you just, if it's like mine weren't lifting, so I had to just lift it a little bit, sprayed this in, waited a little while, and you do it a couple of times, but I couldn't believe it. It literally lifted my nail, just lifted off. It did leave a bit of the gel because I'd used the BT Art Box gel glue, not just a nail glue to glue them on, and all I needed to do was just use a really fine file. But I mean, apart from me stubby short little nails that never grow, hence why I do nails, there was no damage, and I was really chuffed with it. So like I say, I might be late at the party. You might already know about this. I got this on Amazon. I think it's on offer. I think it's about £8 at the minute. £8, sorry. But yeah, it was great, and I don't even think I haven't even used half a bottle. Maybe not a lot at all. So it says spray on the nail tips edge to remove tip solid extend gel. Gently pry the nail tip with a cuticle pusher in the gap. Repeat until fully removed. It says it's purified water, perfume compound, castor oil, vitamin E. But I must say, I've ordered another 2 because I hate soaking my nails off in acetone. So it's good for full tips. I'd imagine it would work for if you've just like nail glued your false nails on, your press-ons. And then what you can do is, if you spray this onto the back of the nail, say you had a bit glue on the nail still, you can spray this on and it lifts that off without damaging the nail. You can reuse your press-ons. Apparently, I haven't tried that. It's not 5-second quick removal, but it is way shorter. I think I did both of my hands 10-15 minutes max. So if you haven't used it, if you're interested, get yourself on Amazon and have a look, or it might be cheaper somewhere else. But I definitely recommend using this stuff. It has saved me loads of time. So now I need to come up with a new design. If anyone's got any ideas of what I can do, I could do Valentine, but maybe something different. Maybe something with my new gels, stickers, plates, everything that I've got. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.